Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Flipside feature. First of all, what is Flipside? Flipside is a hidden private space on a profile where you can post photo or video that only selected people can see. For that, open Instagram, click on right bottom corner on your profile. In my region, it's not available. If it's available in your region, you will found above your username a key type symbol, key type icon will be present. Go to your Instagram profile and look for a small key icon near your profile picture. Tap it. You will instantly switch to your private Flipside profile. Here you can choose a different profile picture, bio and even a custom vibe for your Flipside. It looks like a normal profile but only your approved people can see it. To post, just tap on create like your normal. Anything you upload on Flipside stay exclusive to the people you allow. Tap edit. To switch back, tap on key icon again or hit back to the main profile. That's it for today. Hope you will like this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.